The first step is to add sugar to the pot on the stove. The next step is add water to the pot. After you're done mixing the sugar and water together, bring to a boil. When heated to a boil, the solution can hold more sugar. This is called supersaturated. Wet your skewer sticks in water and dip them in sugar. Let the skewer stick dry completely. Now is the time to add any food coloring or flavoring that you want. Let the solution cool to room temperature. Pour your cool down solution into a glass jar or cup. Attach the clothespins to the skewer sticks. Submerge your skewer stick into the solution. The sugar will crystallize onto your skewer stick. After some time, you've made rock candy.